All right, guys. Just a little FYI for all you BMW lovers out there, especially with the E6550s. A lot of time, water gets into the pod, it trickles on down here. Throws a nice little party, as you can see. I don't know if I can zoom. Oh, I can zoom in. Nice. If you look closely, those pins are totally destroyed. They're corroded. This is why I'm not having any spark, especially over here. Right there. I'm not having any communication. The car just wants to crank and does not want to start. PT can crashed. No communication with transmission either. So this is the culprit. If you guys are just totally stumped on, trying to figure out why your computer don't have any communication, sometimes it is the IVM module that goes up pretty frequently. If you swap that out and it's still doing the same issue, think about the water. If you see water at the bottom of your pod, the DME pod, 9 times out of 10 is trickling on down and it's tracing the wires back into the BCM. So just give it a nice little check, guys.